Hey everybody, Thomas here, and today I'm going to do a quick video, not a lot of talking. We're going to cut up this sweet gum, which some other people said was what they old timers would call it red gum. Um, Long story short, cut the bottom section of this tree. It was phenomenal, looked great. So we're just going to fly through this real quick and see how it turns out. mantle. I'm gonna make 2 mantles. Alright folks, there you have it. I got 4 boards and 2 pieces I'm going to make mantles out of. And what I did is I essentially just cut the pith out. There's a little bit more of the pith on here, and you can see how much movement was going on there. But that's 2 very nice blanks to make a mantle with. Let me get these out into the open, and you can see what it looks like. Okay folks, there you have it. 4 boards, 3 of them at 2 inches, 1 of them at 1 1/4 inches, or actually just slightly over 1 1/4 inches, and we have 2 mantle pieces. I think these all look really good. Someone said the old timers called this red gum. This is definitely, it's sweet gum, but it has just that, you know, beautiful red color and blue, and it's just got a rainbow of colors in here. It's actually just all around pretty wood. A couple, maybe a month or so ago, I did another video where we cut the other part of this log, the top portion. It was beautiful. The customers who bought it, I told them it was green, but they said, I don't care, absolutely beautiful. They wanted to work with it, so roger that. I think these will make some pretty good little benches or something like that. And you also have these mantle pieces, so I'll show you what it looks like. I mean, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. I mean, the colors that are in here, you've got your blues and your grays, you got some like reddish orange colors, you got some browns, a little bit of spalt from the outside. You can see all these spalt lines and everything, and you got the bug damage here. So these ones right here, I will have to spray these down. I'm going to spray these down with like an insecticide or something like that to kill off everything, then do the air drying cycle. In fact, I can actually just spray these down with some borax, and it'll probably be a little bit better. We'll do that, but just beautiful. These are about 8 inches. Yeah, 8 inches wide each, and 8 by 4 and 3/16 is what they came out to be on the mantles, by whatever length this is. The length on these, I don't know, 9.5 foot, something like that, but just beautiful. Absolutely love when you open up a log and you just find, you know, just the hidden beauty within. Okay, so please like, subscribe. The other thing that's coming up is we do have the sawmill show happening here at my property the 30th of April 2022, and I'm, as you can see, I don't have very many logs left. Got a little pile over there, and I've got a little bit behind me over here by the tree and everything. Most of those logs over there, will be videos. They're black walnut, ash, stuff like that. But we'll have a good assortment of logs to cut up at the sawmill show. We're looking about having, I think, 3 sawmills. I'm gonna get Neil to come up here. So Neil, you're coming up. So Neil on the 1600 and everything, he cuts amazing well, and it's also just fun to hear Neil talk and his expressions and stuff like that. Also, Mr. Robert's gonna be here. He's a lot of fun. Same thing, you know, good old Southern dude. He is the master of sharpening blades, and he's gonna send out a group text to all the people he sharpens for. And he showed me the text or the group yesterday. It's like 100 people. So we'll see. This will be the 2nd annual show down here in Lucedale, but this will be my last show down here in Lucedale, unless we move back here at some point with the Navy. But yeah, it's gonna be missed. Our house is up for sale. Well, it will be, because I just got orders just the other day. So I got an amazing shop behind me, got a carport, the house, everything. So I don't foresee it, you know, be on the market long. It's going to go pretty quick, but we've really put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this place. It's been a fantastic place, but we are looking forward to getting up to Wisconsin, and in Wisconsin we'll be doing these same shows. So very much looking forward to some of the folks up there who've already expressed interest in us coming up there and getting together. So again, please like, subscribe. We are giving away a red elm bench, and if you're a subscriber to the channel, you'll be entered into a pool for that at the sawmill event. So if you are coming to the sawmill event, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We will do a drawing for that. We'll also have other drawings that everyone will be involved in, but we'll have a special subscriber drawing, and I should have that video up at some point. You'll see, I'll put a link to one or the other. So again, please like, subscribe. We'll see you around. Thanks.